What's up, YouTube? Your boy Wisdom Works back at it again. Quick little video, little follow-up for yesterday. This air wedge filter right here, Screamin Eagle, is really, really nice, man. I'm gonna tell you. That along with the Pro Tune, I know it's only a stage 1, so it's not a whole lot of a difference, but it is enough difference to enjoy. Man, it's a lot more peppier, a little bit more torquier. I definitely can get more out of first gear. Those are the most notable changes that I felt. The throttle response was a little quicker. That first gear was a lot stronger, and the torque, it just pulled a lot better. Like I said yesterday, I can only imagine what stage 2, 3, and 4 could offer. Maybe one day I'll get to feel that. I'm just gonna keep it on right now. A lot of things going on in my life, so I had to prioritize. Just had a daughter graduate from college yesterday, so we've been celebrating that and a lot of money towards that and for the good. So, first things first. But engine work, like I said, more engine work is coming. I just thought I'd start with that Pro Tune from Screamin Eagle. I know Thunder Max may offer more than some of the other ones, but I did not want to void any warranties, anything like that. So I went with the Screamin Eagle products because they do not void the warranty. And besides, that air wedge right there looks good. So stage 1, yay or nay? It's definitely a yay. It is worth it. You will notice a slight difference. Not a significant, not a big difference, but it's enough that I think it's worth it in my mind, my opinion. Somebody else may not feel that way, but anytime I can get more out of the bike, and the stuff is not cheap. It's not cheap, but I definitely was enough for me to notice that there's a difference with the tuner, with the calibration of the Pro Tune on the bike and that air wedge on there as well. One of you guys told me that this air filter right here turns black pretty quick. So, and that it needs to be cleaned and oiled. It comes pre-oiled when you first purchase it, but it needs to be oiled again. So that's no problem. I'll keep the maintenance on it. I will make sure I order the oil kit, the cleaning kit, and we will be good. One thing real quick that was a little frustrating with these bolts right here. These bolts are, what do you call this? 12 pin or 12 or spline or whatever you say. It's a socket, but it's a 12-point socket. I didn't have any 12-point sockets. So I think there's another 11/13 socket that you can use to put these bolts on, take them on. But I did order some 12-point sockets from Amazon. I ordered them in the morning time. They came in later on that night, and they work perfect in terms of being able to tighten those screws up. Just didn't have any. I never had anything before that required that type of screw. So definitely a noticeable difference. Also, a big difference too is when you're sitting on the bike. Let's see if I can do it straight. Before, with the other air filter, it would stick out from the tank on this side right here. This one right here is it's flush. You see I'm going like that. You can't even see it until you get maybe to right there. So that's one thing that was a little neat while riding the bike, was that when I was riding, I didn't see anything, a big air filter sticking off to the side right here. I didn't see that. So just a little note. But also, one other thing I did too, if you remember in my other videos and some of the other pictures I've shown, I had my brake caliper right here, the cover painted red, but I went back with black. Something told me and spoke to me, So I went back with black on there, and I think I like the black. I thought the red maybe stood out a little too much, so I went back with the black. That's the good thing and the beautiful thing, wonderful thing about spray paint is that it allows you to change things up pretty quickly. So now I'm satisfied with the black, but I do think that it probably look even better if it was gloss black. But I'm not worried about that right now. I'll get to it one day. But other than that, y'all, just want to kind of give you this quick video to let you know if you're thinking about the Pro Tune and the exhaust. Pro Tune exhaust and the air filter, which is considered stage 1. And if you're trying to figure out whether or not spending that kind of money is worth it, I can't tell you when it comes to money what's worth it and what's not, but I'm gonna tell you I'm satisfied with it. So I'm satisfied with it. I'm satisfied with the results it produces and all that kind of stuff. So comment, like, subscribe below. I appreciate each and every one of you. As always, peace.